85 daily routine sentences are there in Beginner's English lesson number 13. It will not only help beginners, but everyone who wants to speak correct English. There are different types of sentences, short and long ones. There is different levels of vocabulary, some very simple words and some difficult words. Repeat each sentence many times so that you can also talk about your own routine. Please watch as many times as you need to learn good English. Let us begin. Every morning, my alarm rings at 5:45 a.m. I wake up when my alarm rings. I spend a few minutes praying. I thank God for the new day. I brush my teeth as soon as I get out of bed. I do yoga, including some breathing exercises or pranayama. After that, I sit for meditation. This takes half an hour. My son is awake by this time. Both of us take our dog for a walk. The name of our dog is Timmy. Timmy and my son run and play for some time. Then we come back home. We wash our hands and feet before entering the house. Now I check my emails. If anything is urgent, I reply immediately. I also check my WhatsApp messages. Many people send good morning messages. Though this is a busy time, I wish them good morning. It is nice to know that someone is thinking of you in the morning. Some important messages may also come through WhatsApp. They may need a reply. Now, the whole family sits together to have morning tea. We talk about each of our plans for the day. After drinking tea, each one gets busy. All do their own chores. I bathe and get ready for office. Since it is winter, we all have our bath in warm water. My wife gets ready to go for work. Our children prepare themselves for school. My parents help each one of us in whatever way they can. We have a cook who comes early in the morning. She prepares our breakfast and lunch. She packs our lunch boxes and keeps them ready. Each of us eats breakfast at our own convenience. Then we collect our bags and lunch boxes and leave home. I drop the children at the bus stop. The school bus takes the children to school and brings them back in the evening. Then I take my wife to her workplace and go to my office. After reaching office, I greet my colleagues. I say hi, hello, or good morning. All the colleagues greet me and also greet each other. We move to the conference room. The morning meeting is held there. Once the meeting is over, we go to our own cubicles. We get busy with our routine work. After a little while, the tea vendor comes. He serves fresh ginger tea. He comes to each of our cubicles and gives us tea. On days when we are a little free, we chat with each other while drinking tea. During lunch break, many of my colleagues go home to eat. But I carry my lunch box with me. All of us who bring lunch boxes share our food with each other. That way, we get to eat a great variety of items. My wife works in the post office. She is very busy during the morning hours. At that time, people come to send speed post and parcels. Her counter closes at 2 p.m. Then she has her lunch with her colleagues. In the afternoon, she has only file work. She finishes before me and goes home on her own. Some days I have to go on field visits. It becomes very late by the time I get back. On other days, I'm back home by 7 p.m. I don't find time to help my children with their studies. Usually, my father helps them with their homework. Especially in science and English, the children need help. When my wife has free time, she also helps them. The children have to be assisted with their art and craft projects. After finishing homework, they have an early dinner. My parents also prefer to eat an early dinner. The children love having their dinner with their grandparents. They like to listen to some stories after dinner. My mother tells them stories. Or she reads out to them from the children's Ramayana. It is important for children to know about their culture. That is the best part about having grandparents at home. When parents are busy, children get valuable lessons from grandparents. The children have to go to bed early. Otherwise, they cannot get up in the morning. My wife and I eat a little later. Then we watch TV for an hour. Or one of us may prefer to read a book before bedtime. Making a to-do list for the next day is the last thing I do. Then I sleep with a peaceful mind. Read each of the 85 sentences many times. Send a comment if you find any word difficult to understand. I will give you the meaning of that word in reply. Learn all these sentence types. Speak about your own daily routine to practice your English. Thank you and all the best.